we're gonna be playing Fishy Mansion, and I'm gonna be surprising people that you like there on YouTube. If you're watching my video and you're one of them, please subscribe, turn on all notice, and drop a like. Still have the modest one. If you haven't realized, it's like this dirt. I just realized that just now. Might be chocolate. Chocolate. Ooh. Blech. Oh, I need to wait for a shade. Waiting for. I didn't know to. Connecting. This is connect. Okay. Who's dancing? Oh my god, my friend just invited. I'll invite him. Oh no, 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 I didn't. Stop. I'm so scared. You shouldn't just wait for this. I already started the chin. Is he even in my game? I'm gonna call him. Sushi! Call me. You call me. Call. We already started. Can you make me party now? Whoa! Look at the battle pass screen thingy. No. Oh, call me, baby. I never knew Galactus was that big, actually. I'm just gonna call him. Can you somehow call me? Rishi, call me. Over here. Call me. Now, others are. Is that even you, or is this you? Which one? Jump with if you're shushing. Jump. Okay, that. Oh, wait, call me again. Yay, shushing. Yay. I don't know if the viewers can hear you, but yay. Run! We're playing hard and seek your hideout.
Wait, I'm hideout?
Yes! Oh my god. Hide with me.
I don't know where to hide.
Come here! There's a spot where you can go through and come here, I can... Okay, you hear that alert? That's when the hiders come. I'm staying here. Wait, are you dead? Oh no.
No, I don't have a good spot.
I don't know if these people have a mic, but you guys are on my YouTube channel. You're such a bad solution! I'm gonna... Oh, I have to... I'm so...
The hide's close.
I think I saw...
Chica is close.
Oh no, I hear somebody. I'm so scared. I'm gonna spray paint something good. No, I'm on top of you.
Exactly.
Come. Should I come to you?
No, I'm coming. Wait, that's you?
Yeah.
Wait,
Come.
are you the Chica?
Here, no. Come here. Look at this. I drew the spray paint. OMG, I can hear them.
That's your Chica.
OMG.
喂，你叫佢 call 嘅，你唔好講喂。
Wait, call me again. My dad needs to use the phone.
Mm.
OMG.
你 take it from your iPad 啦。
Wait, Shushan, don't call me yet. I'm dealing with something very harsh now. I'm getting down by. Okay, call me. Shushan, call me. Call me now. Call. That person just left. Shushan, call me now. Jackie, wait.
有冇啊？
Okay, gotcha. Wait, where are you? Oh, I see somebody. Wait.
Where?
Oh, wait, that guy has the rusty can. Oh. Because it's very hard to know, because they used to have a... Oh, I see. I'll come to you.
I see a fishy.
Fishy
Oh,
Nippy.
no.
Yeah, it's very hard. I gotcha. Is that you?
See someone.
He has a can. He's innocent. The people who have cans are innocent. I'm just spraying cans here. Oh, the can disappeared. Never mind. Wait, come. I'm gonna close your eyes. Come with me. Come with me. Come,
Yeah.
come here. Go down there. I hope I'm going the right direction. Get out of this fence. Oh wait, no, that's the barrier. No, come here. I think it's here actually. Come here. Oh. Yes!
I did a challenge.
Yes! Okay. Let's just return to lobby and let's see. I've never tried whatever Wild West. Let's try that. Ready up.
Okay.
Have you tried it?
No. Do you know Iron Man?
Huh?
Do you know Iron Man?
Huh? Do I
Do you
like
Iron
her?
Man?
Yeah. Boop. This is gonna be the last round, Shushin. We need to make this quick, or else this will be like other random videos. It'll just cut off immediately. We're sorry if we cut it off immediately. We're sorry. This does that. Nobody else.
Wait, so what's the video about?
I'm not. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, are you filming it?
Hmm?
Wait, are you filming the video?
Yep.
Right now?
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna, no spoiler, but I'm gonna play with you, Chica, one gun only. You can only use one gun in squad.
Tomorrow time the video be about Rocket League?
I told you what happened. I can't film on Rocket League. Sorry, people who love Rocket League.
Oh, okay, so where we dropping?
I don't know. I'm just gonna mark random on my map, and then that's where we going.
Terry's kill. Do you like my glider?
I never saw it.
Oh, it's the Iron Man one.
I'm eating a candy cane right now. I'm gonna complete my mission, going through the fireless hole.
I killed someone.
What? I haven't even landed yet. I don't have the right eyes. Someone's in my house. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh!
I killed someone before you even landed.
I killed someone, but I killed myself as well.
Oh, so you use sacrifice.
No, because I was so... Okay, we have to end this video. Sorry, we have to end this video. Bye, people.